To enter and exit a trade on Robinhood, follow these steps. First, open the Robinhood app and log into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the market page by tapping on the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of the screen. Next, search for the stock you want to trade by typing its ticker symbol or company name in the search bar. Select the stock from the search results to go to its detail page. On the detail page, you will see the current price of the stock, as well as other relevant information such as the daily high and low, and the trading volume. To enter a trade, tap the trade button at the bottom of the screen. You will then be asked to choose the type of trade you want to make, either a market order or a limit order. A market order will execute immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will only execute if the stock reaches a certain price that you specify. After choosing the type of trade, enter the number of shares you want to buy or sell. You can also set a stop loss or take profit order to automatically close your trade if the stock reaches a certain price. Review your trade details carefully to make sure everything is correct. Then tap Confirm to place your order. To exit a trade, go to the portfolio page by tapping on the portfolio icon at the bottom of the screen. Find the stock you want to sell in your portfolio and swipe left on it. Tap the Sell button. Then choose the type of trade you want to make, either a market order or a limit order. Enter the number of shares you want to sell, and review your trade details carefully before tapping Confirm to place your order. It is essential to have a clear understanding of your investment goals and risk tolerance before entering or exiting a trade. It is also crucial to stay up to date with market news and trends to make informed trading decisions. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively enter and exit trades on Robinhood and achieve your investment objectives.